Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. So here we are at part 3 of my Dollhouse kit video today. I did just want to start the video with a quick summary of all the fabulous post boxes in the area this summer. So we've got a couple of post boxes have gone with the ocean as a theme. So we've got mermaids, sharks, starfish, all sorts of octopus and all that kind of thing. So those two post boxes look fabulous. And the other post box went with the Olympics, which has just finished. And that was a really good one as well. I have shown them in shorts, but I hadn't mentioned them on my main video. So I thought I would just put a little sample of some of the shots I took for you to have a look at. Just such a fun thing, and as I love crafting, it's kind of something that interests me. I've never done crocheting. I do love my cross stitch, but I do appreciate and that everybody in the local area loves what they do. It just cheers everybody up. You see loads of people taking photos and having a look at what's new. So probably they'll start putting the autumn ones in soon as we going through August, but hopefully the summer ones will stay for a couple more weeks. So I'm going to do the next part of the kit today, and it's just a short one because I'm just putting the other side of the shop on. I've got the back on, I've got the side with the window open and the plant pots, and I thought, well, the next thing I'll put the other side on with a little table area where the customers can sit, and I have done a little planter for the outside. But my next video will be more little things for the counter, the back counter, and all the coffee packets and the coffee machine and everything. I thought rather than put some of that in this video, I'll keep that as a next video. So next week will be that, and then the week after will be the main counter area with all the cakes and everything in. So this is the side of the shop. It's quite easy actually. So I'm just using the glue that has been provided, and I've just got to stick all the pieces together. So not too much difficulty, just making sure that you stick them together and that they're straight and not wonky. That's always the worry. But I do like the glue that they provided in this kit because it's tacky. So it holds quite quickly. As you can see, I just stuck that on and it pretty much stuck straight away, but there's still room to manipulate it and move it and make it straight. So perfect. That's the first part done, nice and easy. Then I've got to do some cutting out and sticking on. So these are the wood effect pieces for the table top that will is kind of like the main area where the customers will sit. So that's just been cut out nicely, and then I have a wooden piece that I just have to get out of the template there, just sand the sides off, and then it's just a case of gluing that on. So that's nice and easy as well. Then that'll need boxing in. So again, more just pull that. This is almost like the easiest part, just getting all the pieces assembled, and then that's got a lovely marble effect cover that will go on that. So again, I will just use that glue to glue those two pieces together and then use it to glue the marble effect on the front. And as I said before, this glue is great. I'm really loving it. Much better than super glue, which sticks very quick and hard to change if you've made a mistake. And as you can see then, all I've got to do is just glue all of that together, and then I will have the side of my building. So I can tick that off, and that's that page nearly done. I have got a window to add, but it's quite easy because it's come already done with the name of the shop on. Just got to fold it over and then glue that on, and that's kind of like a sort of frosted window. You can still see through it, but it's you know, got a little bit of a tint to it, and that is the side of the cafe completed. So that was quite a nice, easy challenge for me. I didn't make any mistakes today, so don't speak too soon, but fingers crossed it's going very well. And then just like before, there's a marker on the floor where it needs to go, so all I've got to do is just put the glue and then attach that into place. So that's come together really easily. So that's really the main part of the shop done now. It will just be the fixtures and fittings inside that will need to be completed. I'm really enjoying doing this shop. It's a lovely project to do. Definitely recommend it if it's your first time having a go, because it isn't as fiddly as a whole house. I'm going to make the planter now. It's quite easy. It's a box template, some brown felt and some greenery, and it's just a case of sticking it all together, and it's nice and effective. And then I've just stuck it down there out the front of the shop. So that is looking really good. And it's all coming together now. And as I said, it was just a short video today just to get that side on and get that planter done. Come back next week and I will be putting in the counter and the coffee machine and all the bits and pieces. And then we will be nearly there. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.